have a leaky toilet, it may not be as big of a deal as you think. Homebuilder Felicia Raquel suggests get down on your hands and knees and find where that water is coming from.
Number one thing, actually inspect it to see what the actual problem is. Some people think that they even have a leak and it's really just the condensation and they think they need a new toilet.
If your toilet really is leaking, it could be a few things.
Maybe the bolt needs some tightening, and then once you tighten them, it's good to go. I know a lot of toilets are older, so replacing the wax ring is super important as well. And it may just be like, simple flange, the base.
And fixing that leaky toilet is something you could do.
For those of you who feel confident enough, this is a totally DIY project. Don't have to hire a professional. And if you have the tools, take a look at it so you can save on costs.
With Real Estate and Renovate and La City News.